This video is to demonstrate how to load a pattern in the Induction Cut software for plotting. Immediately after you enter your login information, you will be brought to the part search screen. That's what you see currently. And in order to locate a part, you can simply go to the left side of the screen and select what type of part you're looking for. So we'll choose pane and headlamp protection, and now it will only search for those parts. We can go on to proceed to select our year, make, and model of the vehicle. And then once we have selected the submodel, it will automatically search for whatever's available for that vehicle. And you will see a selection of parts, and you will simply choose the one that you would like to cut currently. A few of the parts are nested together: bumper pieces, side parts for vehicles, as well as some hood, fender, and mirror kits are all grouped together. You'll see a preview of the part as well as the identification of exactly what it is as far as the vehicle that it's designed for, and you'll see a material width size. So this is the width of the roll that would be required to cut that part. To open the pattern, you actually click right on the part number, and you'll see this will actually take you to another window. So as many parts as you select, new windows will continue to open. If I want to go back to the search screen, that tab is right here, which says Induction Cut, and I could open a different part. And now I have multiple screens open at the same time, and I can easily toggle back and forth to select whichever one I want to cut. You can zoom in and out very easily with a scrolling wheel on a mouse, which makes focusing on one particular part very easily. If you want to cut an individual piece, you'll see the bumper here has multiple parts. I can just simply select the part I want to cut, and it will highlight in red. If I want to select all of the parts for the bumper, I can click off. I'll zoom out a little bit and just simply encapsulate everything in a box on the screen, and now everything turns red. So if you're happy with the parts you've selected and are ready to cut them, you can go to the Plot Selected screen. That's under this icon in the upper left corner. And this will give you your plot preview, and just verify this is the part that you wanted to cut. You'll also see your plotter configuration listed. So this should be the plotter you have loaded in the software. If you need to switch to a different plotter, you can change it in this screen by clicking the Change button. This will also give you the width again of the roll necessary, so you can verify you have the right roll loaded in your plotter. And if everything checks out and looks good, you can simply click Plot, and it'll be sent to the plotter. We hope this helps you identify how to select a part and cut it on your plotter.